Hi, hand-waving, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thanks. What about you?
Can't complain. What's your name?
I'm Richard Miller. And you?
I'm Anna Williams. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States. And you?
I'm from here, Australia. What are you doing here in Sydney?
I'm here as a tourist. And you?
That's great, I work here. I'm an English teacher.
How long have you been working as a teacher?
I've been working for 5 years now.
Tell me more about Sydney.
Well, it's a vibrant city, very diverse and beautiful.
I can see that. It's beautiful and peaceful.
Yes, and the weather is great.
Alright, how old are you?
I'm 33 years old. And you?
I'm 27. Are you married?
Yes, I am, and you?
Not yet, I'm single right now.